Good morning, live from the boat show. I am looking for the water taxi. Hopefully you can hear me because I don't have my headphones, but I am looking for the water taxi to the super yachts and thought I'd take you with me. This is the Miami Boat Show. And I'm trying to go find the water taxi to the super yachts. But this is at the Herald Plaza convention, or Herald Plaza in Miami. This is the Miami International Boat Show. And I'm looking for the water taxi so we can go see the super yachts, but cannot find it. But I thought I'd take you guys on a little walk, a dock walk with me. So take a look at all the yachts. If you're in the market for a yacht today, this is where you want to be. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I don't have my headphones. I left them at home this morning. Trying to get out the door. Yes, they are gorgeous. I will take any one they give me. I'm trying to go over to this other marina where the super yachts are. So these are just, regular old boring yachts. And I'm trying to find the super yachts, as they call them. But I will be covering the show the next couple of days for this channel. So follow me on YouTube, follow Discover Boating on YouTube and on Facebook, Instagram, all the social media channels, as well as the Miami International Boat Show. But this show will go on all weekend. It started on Wednesday, kind of in the middle of the week, but this will be going on all week and all weekend, or the rest of the week and the weekend. If you go to the link in my bio, you can purchase tickets to the show and get 10% off with the code Miami10. It will give you access to 6 different locations full of boats, every type of boat accessory you could want. You can tour boats. I was able to tour a mega yacht in Fort Lauderdale. Hopefully I'll be able to do that today. But let me know if y'all have any questions. I am looking for the water taxi so we can go see the super yachts. Don't forget a hat if you come. It's hot already. You can park at the convention center and take the water taxi over, or there's parking at One Herald Plaza. But welcome to the boat show, guys. Please follow me on TikTok if you haven't already done so. I'll be posting all kinds of content, and YouTube as well. I'll be posting kind of some behind the scenes stuff. I'm going to try and get a tour. There's downtown Miami for those joining from somewhere else. But please follow me on YouTube as well. It's Well Adventure Often. I'm hoping to get some behind the scenes tours and footage. And if you're interested in coming to the boat show today, tomorrow, or Sunday, you can purchase tickets the link in my bio. Use code Miami10 for a little discount. But there's like 6 different locations that your ticket will give you access to. And it's really cool. It's fun just to see them. There's like all kinds of docks that you can walk and check out the boats. So yeah, come hang out. You can tour some of the boats if you haven't been here. You can sign up to tour them. Look at this beauty. Hello, hello. Everyone that's just joining, I'm live at the Miami International Boat Show. I'll be here for the next couple of days, giving you the behind the scenes tour, hopefully. Last time I was able to tour a $15 million yacht. It was something else. But trying to get over to see the super yachts. Maybe we can find it via the water taxi. For those joining not in Miami, this is Biscayne Bay, so this would be going towards South Beach. This is kind of where the cruise ships go. This is downtown Miami. This is kind of I'm at the end of the boat show, so this would be going back towards the main convention center, or not the convention center, but One Herald Plaza. So the boat show is in 6 different locations, and this is one of them. But if you're in town and want to join, you can come Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You can grab a ticket in my bio link. Use code Miami10 to get a little discount. And yeah, that ticket will give you access to 6 different locations. But I'm going to jump on this water taxi, see if I can get a ride out to the super yachts, and hopefully do a live over there. So thanks everyone who joined. Hopefully I can go live in a few minutes.